This is a video review of the Bridge portable PA system. This is what it looks like. We're going to do an unboxing here. So you got some technical parameters there. And then we got over here, you got 40 watts output. We got 2,600 mAh battery, Echo mic. So this is how it comes. Came packaged really nice. So we're going to open this up just like that. I like that they have that right there. So right off the bat here, we got a user guide in here. We got a little strap here, so that could be used. We got a charger right here. We got these right here. This is going to be your actual mic right here. It comes nicely wrapped in here. That's going to be the piece. We're just going to put this together. And then we're going to open this up right here. Packaged really nice. This is the actual unit itself right here. So you'll see here, really nicely packaged. We're going to get this set up and then test it out. All right, so this is the headset right here. Super easy. All you do is clip this piece right onto here. Then we're just gonna put this on just like this. To turn this on, there's a button right here. So we're gonna hit that on right here. And you just put this on just like that. You don't even need any Bluetooth. You could hear that it's getting louder because this is right here. Really like this a lot. We have different volume controls up here as well. If you wanted the mic to go up, you could turn it this way. If you wanted it to go down, you could go this way. Really cool. You could adjust the echo volume too. This will reach up to 18,000 square feet. You could use this indoor, outdoor. And then on the back here, you got your Type-C, USB. You put a card in here, mic 1, mic 2, and auxiliary. Really like this a lot. So if you're looking for a great portable mic system, definitely check this out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.